start your day with intention. Welcome to a new moment, a new day, a new opportunity to shine from within. As you begin to settle in for today's meditation, know ahead of you is a new opportunity. Choose your soul's purpose and your heart's passion. May they be divine. Begin to get comfortable, softening your shoulders, softly closing your eyes, relaxing in and letting go. Allow for just the next few moments to let the steady stillness of your heart and quiet wisdom of your higher self hold you in love. Go ahead and take a deep inhale for a count of 5 and then exhale for a count of 6. Each breath softer, deeper, further relaxing and letting go. Letting go of anything not serving you, creating more space for more light and more love. Continue on for a few more breaths on your own. Allowing your breath to find its natural rhythm. Soften your shoulders further. Soften your face. Relax your jaw, feeling the weekly relaxation seep into all parts of you. We are now going to set your intention for the day from within, taking a deep breath through your heart center and your exhale the same way. Ask your inner wisdom, what intention do I need today to allow me to connect powerfully, to lead gracefully and love fully? What do I need to know? And as you exhale, feel the answer settle in. Continue on your own now, hearing the truth of your heart and the wisdom intuition can bring. As we begin to end your meditation, feel the weight of your body in your seat, holding you, grounding you right where you should be. Trusting all the answers you may be seeking are already within you, ready to walk right alongside you on your journey. Begin to move your wrists and ankles, deepening your breath, feeling the space around you, the ground underneath you. Taking a moment to offer gratitude for the opportunity of stillness and self-care. Thanking your body, thanking your mind, thanking your heart. Thank you for showing up for you today. I hope you enjoyed your meditation. Remember, you are welcome back here at any time. May you lead from here, and may you shine always.